in time for gift giving this Christmas.
Let's go shopping!
First up, definitely my favorite fragrance here, the Bombshell and the limited Glamour fragrance. Remember, buy two, get one for free. And they have heart-shaped bags, love it. This Black Friday sale is your opportunity to get your Victoria's Secret robe and PJ. And don't forget to add this beautiful seamless undies, which are my favorite here. Remember, buy 3, get 2 for free, and buy 2, get 1 for free. And this beautiful tote bag can be yours based on your purchase. So what are you waiting for? Please join me as we unwrap the magic of Victoria's Secret this holiday season. Here at Victoria's Secret SM Mega Mall Fashion Hall branch. Merry Christmas, everyone! Mwah.